Welcome back my viewers and subscriber. Yeah, with the right at this gas station here. Total. Yeah. With the right at the intersection with South Haven. But we are going to take a walk today and we are looking on the business district at Yallahs. So we are walking in the direction towards Poor Man's Corner. Yeah, man. We are going in the direction towards Poor Man's Corner. And we are take a look at the commercial district. You know, we just look on the business there, man. We just look how this community has strive and a rise up and thing. And we just give a small feature to look at the community to see how the community are developed day by day. So stick and stay with the right of South Haven and we are head to Poor Man's Corner. So stick and stay my viewers and subscribers. It's a nice, beautiful morning. The sun is out. Rumor has it, before me continue to walk down the road, rumor has it that there might be a KFC at this gas station. So you guys can follow up the comment section and let me know if something, who live in the area, can let me know if something really goes on, you know. That would be a first. Really and truly, that would be a first in a St. Thomas. As you can see, the road's been working on at the moment. Yeah, so when you're driving down this side, please drive with caution. You understand about the speed and go on and don't hold on madness like when I realize the road I work on. See the drainage them I put in. It's all the drainage them. Huh? Yeah, me there. Yeah man. So one of me subscribe, he just gave me up a while ago. Him see me on the road. Cause you know when me there on the road in a St. Thomas, everybody know me and things. So I have to stop on one of them at times. So big up my subscriber. We just call him. Alright my brethren, blessings. Yeah man, so business take time and arise in a St. Thomas because you know everybody anticipate the new road, make things come faster, quicker and things, and I hope things can also come safer. You understand? So we are walk upon the road and we are head towards Poor Man's Corner. Yeah. We are head towards Poor Man's Corner. I don't know if we could have find somebody to tell me the reason why them call that section of Yallahs, you know, Poor Man's Corner. People can fill up the comment section. If it was there some will for poor people out there, some will for, you know Jamaican people just call things as how they see it. You understand me? So we don't know, but we are heading in the direction a Poor Man's Corner. So stick and stay people and follow me. Yeah, and we just have to point out a few things to you guys. We're driving chauffeurs in this roadway. Remember the road been working and so you have a lot of dust. You understand? So even when the water truck come with half an hour time, within an hour time when the truck pass, the place will get dusty again. So we have to just bear in mind that one of them things that come with the development are road improvement. Yeah, my viewers and subs. So we are continuing to walk and we there Log Lane, I hope I pronounce it right. And we see a nice little grocery shop at the front here. So when you come through, you can stop. It's a safe community. I don't hear of no whole lot of happenings in other part of earlier. So, you know, the main road known for business, a lot of business places out this side here and thing. And you know when you're stopping at the nightlife, you can get your jerk chicken, jerk pork and all these things as you traverse the roadway. So the community is coming up, the road development is coming up, the business them is coming up, and everything looking up for the coming year. So my viewers and sub, me in the vicinity, me up on Yallahs Road and I head towards Poor Man's Corner, and just stick and stay. Just stick and stay, my viewers. The business them, most of the business them more crowded down to Poor Man's Corner and this side here. Yeah, most of the shops them, and we stop around and I look, most of the shops them more crowded down to Poor Man's Corner. So I see a sign here, my viewers and sub, and I just have to see if I can go closer to the sign, and I see it's a Norris, I hope I pronounce it right, 5 kilometer, Cedar Valley 22 kilometer, Norman Manley International Airport 27, yeah, Kingston 29. So I head in the direction of Poor Man's Corner, and I just look on the business them, the business activity in this nice, beautiful community here, Yallahs in St.Thomas, and as you can see, people out up on the road. Some people wait for taxi and all these things. So as Big Super head into the community of Poor Man's Corner to see what the activity is like on this day. Yeah, it's a nice, quiet, clean community. Community look good and things, and people standing out waiting on motor vehicles. So stick and stay, people, and follow me. The viewers and stuff. So me basically like me in a square, a Yallahs here. Basically me in a square here. And we just walk through. Cause this is like a taxi area where a lot of taxi park up. Yeah. A lot of people will go all over St. Thomas. Maybe we come at this section here and take them taxi and all these things. So the viewers and sub, as you can see, we basically there in the little town. We basically in the little town, Yallahs here, and we just a 360 and make you see and things. So stick and stay, my viewers and sub. Stick and stay and follow Big Super. Yeah man, so a lot of bars and shops. We see all Western Union, Bill Express. We see where you can get all your cylinders and all these things if you're there in this town here. And remember, the road improvement are come through this town here. So it's a good look. People them look like them are prepared for the coming year. Yeah man. So this section of Yallahs, which is Poor Man's Corner, it is on the up. My viewers and subscribers, 2023, it will look good. Trust me, it will look good when the road pass through, because the business them take time to look up. Everybody take time to look up. And Big Super is out here on the road looking at the business, looking at the community. And this would have been like the lower part of Yallahs. Yeah, this would have been like the lower part of Yallahs. So we just look upon the community and we are going to walk straight out to the bridge. Yeah, we are going to go to the Yallahs bridge and take a first hand look at the bridge to make you guys see what's going on. Definitely, we have to take a look at the bridge. Yeah, but we just look out. Hey, remember the days when we used to come through this town here? Remember the days when we used to come through this town here? You never have so much business, you know? No, you never have so many people. I just, like when you come down to this corner here, you just see a lot of activity. But now, the town of Yallahs, full of activity. I'm say, we see some Christmas things over here. I don't know what them sell right here for wreath or flowers, but this is some things, you know. See a sign right in front of me. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. So stick and stay, my viewers and sub. Because I take time and I walk in the direction. I go in the direction of the Yallahs bridge. Yeah. So I'm basically in a Poor Man's Corner. The whole place, everybody has them little business, everything up around the side here, and them just anticipate highways to come through to make things kind of more speedier, faster, things kind of more better, and all these things. So we're there, I see the water truck and the viewers and stuff. The water truck and water the road too. So I'll be telling you the drama about the water in the road. It's like by it pass through within the next half an hour, the place will dry again. Because the place basically dusty. And the sun, remember Jamaica is a sunny place 24/7. The sun is shining around here, so the place where you know expect it to stay damp. You know, so the truck, I guess the truck has to come more often and more regular and things, so you have to just be with it because road work, road condition and road activity take place. So stick and stay and follow me down to the bridge. Yeah, my viewers and sub, we can't even find nobody to tell me the reason why them call out here the poor man's corner. Just me. We can't even find nobody to tell me why they call out here poor man's corner. But my viewers and sub, you guys might have to full up the comment section. Full up the comment section and make me know why them call out here poor man's bride. Let them know why them call out here poor man's corner. A big super is in the community of Yallahs. I would have regard down here as the lower part of Yallahs. Yeah, and this part is where you come to the bridge. We carry you through Yallahs bridge, where I take you over to Albion, you know. So we down in a poor man's corner, my viewers and subscribers. See the water truck here. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Yeah, see the water truck and my viewers and sub. So the water truck at work down here this morning. And we have the water truck here on our camera and thing. And we are walking towards the bridge. Yeah, that famous bridge, my viewers and sub. You know, say, I've drive over it. Never have walked on this bridge. My viewers and sub, I never have walked. I never lay my foot on this bridge. So today the first in my life, I'm going to walk over the bridge. But before I go over the bridge, I just have to give the Almighty thanks for keeping me alive. Then I could have walked on this journey and make it down here in the lower part of Yallahs. Yeah, my viewers and sub. And down here, so them have where the trucks them get the material and thing to go into the city. So big super is here. And I see a sign on the bridge where I caution. And sometimes when I hold up my head in the sunlight, we can't get to read efficiently. But I'm going to make you guys see the sign. I'm going to make you guys see the sign. It's a caution, crocodile habitat. Some of viewers and sub, you see the sign, and the sign, they're right at the bridge. So, big super, they are poor man's corner, yeah? And it's looking all good to come through that community a poor man's corner down at the lower part of Yallahs, the shopping district. And it's a good look. And I believe that when the road finish, it'll look better. Trust me. We don't know how long the road will take people, but when the road finish, it'll look better. We're there on the bridge, and you know that bridge is a famous bridge because a whole heap of time river wash it there. River come down and wash it there. Yeah, and things. So it's a very famous bridge. It's very big. I tell people say I don't know the length of it, I have to Google it. But when I look on the Yallahs bridge, the Bustamante bridge, sometimes I wonder which one of them are the tallest bridge. Because the bridge are very, 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 very huge. Yeah, my viewers and sub. And the land site and the land scenery down here, very beautiful. I love it. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So, but there, on the bridge. And when we reach down at the next end of the bridge, we just have a show now what go on. When we reach down at the next end of the bridge, we have to terminate the video. But we just we just have to look for life and say, Father God, you're really and truly amazing to make a bridge like this, to give man the, you know, the knowledge and things to make a bridge. Because you guys can remember how much time that bridge I wash with. But you can remember, you know, how much time this bridge wash away. You understand what I say? And you no longer want to hold out for, but we hope we can hold out for our next 150 years or more. Our lifetime. You understand? But a whole heap of bridge the government put in place, and a whole heap of them wash away. A whole heap of them wash away. And the one I left standing. Remember the days when we have to drive through down in the river? Remember them times, the people, when we have to go down in the river in order to come over the bridge? Yeah man, remember them time there. Trust me, remember them time there. So big super with up on the road, and we just look at the development heading into the town of Yallahs. We're on the bridge, and we just look at the bridge, and when we reach at the end of the bridge, we're coming down to the end of the bridge. And before me go no further, I just have to tell you that the bridge have some nice lighting on it. Yeah. I wish some of them iron light posts are there all over Jamaica. Them look nice. Yeah man, and then give the place a wireless look, you know. And a wire run to them and all these things. So we reach at the end of the bridge, my viewers and sub. Big super there at the end of the bridge. And I hope you enjoy the walk from the gas station. Come down through Carner. Enjoy it. Remember to give the video the old thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you're new. Remember turn on your post notification bell and watch out my ads them people. When you're watching a commercial, you help support Big Super channel. For now, Big Super out in the beautiful community of Yallahs saying peace out.